Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
This question is from AS Topic 7 Transport in Plants, where it's actually testing your understanding about photomicrographs of plant and see if you are able to identify the structures and label them. So first thing, this is a plant organ. Can you tell if it's a leaf, a stem, or a root? So first one, we know that we're going to eliminate leaf, because leaf will have upper epidermis, lower epidermis, mesophyll cells. So this is obviously not a leaf. As for root, it's also not applicable because root has a vascular bundle that is located at the center. So from this photomicrograph, you can see that the vascular bundle is located at the corners, showing that this is a stem. So let's start labeling the structure. The outermost layer of the plant stem is known as epidermis. Below the epidermis is where you have your cortex. And the middle part of your stem with these packing cells is known as pith. So cortex and pith, the cells look almost the same because they are both made up of parenchyma tissue. Then the vascular bundle is made up of xylem. So the inner layer where you can see cells with lumen, this region will be known as xylem. And the outer layer will be your phloem. So these are the two prominent structures that we can see. Then let's look at all the choices. A. The central region of this organ has supporting tissue. The central region is actually made up of parenchyma, which is the pith. This is for packing and storage, not for support. The endodermis tissue is a thick layer around the edge of the organ. Endodermis is found in root. So this is not root, so you wouldn't find endodermis. The epidermis tissue in this organ has unicellular extension, trichomes. So from the diagram, you can actually see that there are some extension here that are known as trichomes. And the xylem tissue is found in greatest density in the center. Wrong, because they are found at the corner. So hopefully when you come across any other plant organ which is resembling a stem, you can identify the tissue and label them. So the answer for this question is C.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.